Alright, my name is Benjamin Ashe from Granite Bay High School, and today I'm going to be talking about the vending machines because whether you're a freshman or a senior, these are all pretty new to us. So I'm just going to talk about kind of where you can find them, what to do with them, how to use them, regulations, stuff like that. So let's get started. So let's talk about using the vending machine real quick. Now, there are a list of instructions, but just in case you need it visually, here's how you're going to do it. You're going to click this number button right here, then your student ID, then number button again, then birthday, then the number button again. That's 3 times now. Then you'll finally be prompted to enter in which item you want. There are 3 types of vending machines. There are breakfast vending machines, lunch vending machines, and snack vending machines. Now for breakfast and lunch, you get 1 free breakfast and 1 free lunch every single day. Whether you want those 2 meals from the vending machines or from your servery line, that is up to you. So I could have breakfast from the vending machine and then maybe lunch, I'll get it in the line. That is your choice. After that, you have to pay for your meals. So let's talk about money real quick actually. You'll notice that there's no spot to really put in any cash. If you need to put in more money into your student account, on each of the vending machines, there should be a QR code to download an app. You're gonna download that and that will allow you to put more cash in. Our lunch and snack ones are only located in our cafeteria. At other schools, this isn't really the case. They're kind of intermixed with each other. The breakfast vending machines are open from about 30 minutes before school starts to right before lunch starts. The lunch vending machines are open from lunch onward, but the snack ones are open all day. Other than that, those are the vending machines.